Continue. From there, I want to talk about the problems of a polygamous marriage. And here you are the ones who are going to tell me the problems of a polygamous marriage. We've already talked about some of them when we were talking about why the church discourages polygamy. So, problems of a polygamous marriage. Yes? Disunity, yes. It is not secure, yes. Yes, very good. Enmity between the family members. Yes. Yes, it may lead to people getting HIV/AIDS. And you remember in the exam you put the way it's put. It may lead, yes, because it's not on all instances. Yes, it might lead to suicide and drug abuse. Why? When you feel neglected, you can get into drugs. Yes? Yes, very easily. It can lead to family breakup. When you feel unsatisfied in that polygamous marriage, you and your family can opt what? Out. Yes? Yes, jealousy and bitterness. Actually, and there is also poverty. Why do you think it leads to poverty? Yes? Yes, very good. The man has many children and he might have few resources to what? To upkeep them. You cannot be able to provide. You have only one job and maybe you're earning 40,000. And then you have 3 what? Wives. And then you have children who have to go to where? To school and to be paid for school fees. Also, it may lead to confusion, getting confused. When you're planning about how to organize all your 3 or 4 wives and their families, you meet and then you talk about it, or what do you do? It is very confusing. Do you even sit down with them and you tell them, I earn 60,000. So each family is going to get 20,000. And then what will you be left with as a man? I don't want to talk about a particular tribe whereby they become watchmen. And this I heard on a radio. And then when this watchman was married to one wife. And then this radio presenter, during the old days, increased the salary of the what? Of the watchman. The watchman told her, I've already married a second wife with the salary that you added. Can you believe it? You added 10,000 shillings and you add another what? Wife. Immediately. Then she was so concerned. She said, so I added this so that you can improve your living standards, and now you added another one. He told me, no, you don't have to worry. We will not trouble you. You see where we are living with that one? The other one is coming there. You see, that's a challenge, a big challenge.